Hey loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome to episode 3 of how to start an online hair care business. In today's video, I'll be showing you all a few different ways to take photos for your website. And so I don't really do anything fancy as far as filters goes and as far as exposure and all that. Sometimes I will tap the screen to make it a little brighter, but for the most part, I just switch through photos, portrait, and square. And as a disclaimer, all photos on my website are taken with a camera, the same very camera that I'm recording on. So my quality may look a little different, but I will teach you all how to get a professional quality even with the iPhone pictures. So for this mannequin head, I purchased it from Michael's, and what I do is I stick a pin in both sides, and that holds my do-rag in place for when I take my photos. And if I explain exactly how I do it, I honestly may confuse you, so I encourage you just to watch. The key is really making sure you have a clean background and making sure you have everything in frame. Also, natural lighting is the best lighting and it's free, so I really encourage you to take outside photos as opposed to buying a ring light or some umbrella lights. So the $1 poster board is pretty much all I use when I'm taking photos of my do-rags and my bunnies. If you would like to skip through and see how I take pictures of my hair products, then you can do that. But I will also show you guys in another video how I edit them and how I remove the background as well as make a clean white background. So for the bunnies, I did adjust the exposure a little bit, and I also screen recorded so you guys can see exactly what I did. It's not much to teach when taking photos, but I really want you all to like put yourself in the customer's position. Like, what would catch your eye on your website? So all the pictures that you see me taking are right here in my backyard. It's really about being resourceful and using what you already have instead of going out and buying new things. This saves you money, and as you see, it's really creative and the pictures turned out really nice. These are the photos that were taken, and like I said, in my next video I'll be showing you all how to clean up the background as well as remove the background, so stay tuned for that video. Don't forget to educate, encourage, and empower. Also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.
Get your, 'cause I'ma get mine today. I'm sure